So we're just waiting for the doctor. She keeps failing all the hearing tests. They did like 3 now, and she keeps failing it. She doesn't seem to care. She's just like hanging out, doing her thing. Hey, baby girl. You can hear Mama, can't you? Yeah, you can see me and hear me. You're so big. You're a pretty girl. But I'm starting to get a little bit worried. So I will keep you updated. We had to get up at like 6 this morning and get ready so that we could be here by 8:30. I was gonna get up and do a video that showed me getting ready and getting her ready and everything that goes into it. But then I got up and I was like, I don't have time. I don't have time for all that. So maybe next time I will chronicle the process that it takes to get her out of the house. But other than that, nothing eventful. So I will keep you guys updated. Keep liking, sharing, commenting. Let me know if there's anything you want to see, any questions that you have. We can do a video about about the answers to those questions about her day and things. And I think later in the week I'm going to bring you some cooking stuff. I'm going to make some food and I'm going to record it, and it's my own recipe. And then I think I got a comedy one coming for you, but I gotta find one more volunteer. So when I find my other volunteer, I'll get that out to you too. Alright, I love you guys.